Seven & i pulls the trigger on several transformational initiatives, including a 7-Eleven IPO. BJ's Wholesale Club continues to thrive following a strong fourth quarter. And Casey's General Stores has a talking bean-to-cup coffee machine. Welcome to Retail Daily, your quick look at the top news from Supermarket News and CSP Daily News. I'm CSP Senior Editor Hannah Hammond.
And I'm Supermarket News Editor Tim Inkelbarger. As it grapples with a takeover bid from Canadian rival Alimentation Couche-Tard and a failed management buyout, Seven & i Holdings, parent of the 7-Eleven convenience store chain, announced a series of transformational leadership, capital, and business initiatives to sharpen its focus on its convenience store business and unlock distributor value to shareholders. The initiatives include a North American initial public offering, or IPO, for 7-Eleven and a large potential divestiture package. And Stephen Dacus, currently chairman of the board and lead independent outside director, will succeed Ryuichi Isaka as president and representative director and CEO.
Calgary, Alberta-based fuel marketer and convenience retailer Parkland Corp has initiated a strategic review of the company to identify opportunities to maximize value for all shareholders. This could include asset divestments, acquisitions, transformative business combinations, and a sale of the company.
BJ's Wholesale Club continues to thrive following a strong fourth quarter, and the retailer does not appear to be fazed by potential Trump administration tariffs, which would raise prices for members, particularly on the grocery side. Fresh produce remains a key driver for BJ's Wholesale Club, which announced that comparable club sales increased by 4.6%, excluding the impact of gasoline sales, during its fourth quarter earnings call on Thursday.
BP aims to be a net zero company by 2050 or sooner. By the end of 2025, against the 2019 baseline, BP's target is a 20% reduction in operational emissions, and its outlook for the end of 2030 is a reduction of around 45% against the baseline, according to its 2024 annual report.
Target is now one full day into a 40-day consumer boycott over the retailer's decision to step back from diversity, equity, and inclusion policies. And if the February 28th protest is any indication, the Minneapolis-based company is in for some more uneasiness. Target was hit hard by the February 28th boycott, according to reporting by Forbes. The retailer experienced a 9% drop in web traffic that day. App user traffic took an even bigger hit, as it was down 14%.
White House Station, New Jersey-based Quick Check is launching two new Italian subs, the Giant Italian and the Traditional Style Italian. Both subs are available on 6-inch or 12-inch bread and feature the new Quick Check vinaigrette. The Giant Italian, which is part of the New York Giant sub lineup, includes fresh mozzarella, cherry pepper relish, and garlic aioli on fresh baked bread.
The release of Kroger's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report gave the grocery chain stock price a boost Thursday, despite mixed financial results, the mysterious departure of its CEO, and the onset of tariffs that are expected to cause grocery price hikes. The earnings call following the release of the quarterly report was led by interim chairman and CEO Ron Sargent, who took the helm following the departure of Rodney McMullen. McMullen resigned from the company Monday after Kroger's board announced an investigation into his, quote, personal conduct. Sargent emphasized the grocery chain's strength and positive momentum heading into 2025, saying Kroger is confident in its commitment to deliver a shareholder return of 8% to 11% over time.
Democrats on Monday reintroduced legislation to establish a new federal e-cigarette tax, increase the tobacco tax rate, and close tax loopholes. U.S. Senate Democratic Whip Dick Durbin of Illinois and other Senate Democrats backed the End Tobacco Loopholes Act. Durbin said the federal law has not been updated in 16 years, creating loopholes that the tobacco industry has exploited.
Casey's General Stores has introduced Darnell, the convenience store chain's artificial intelligence AI-powered roast bot, a talking bean-to-cup coffee machine, to promote its darn good coffee. Using generative AI capabilities, Darnell offers personalized, witty comments, or quote-unquote roasts, along with coffee recommendations to help customers learn about Casey's darn good coffee lineup.
And that will do it for today's episode of Retail Daily. Subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and more for your daily dose of retail news. For more on these stories, visit CSP Daily News and supermarketnews.com. I'm Hannah Hammond.
And I'm Tim Inkelbarger. Have a great day.